love with you. Do, 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 do. I realize the way your eyes deceive me with tender looks that I mistook for love. But like a big red rose that's made of paper, and send the kind that you remind me of. Paper roses, paper roses. Oh, how real those roses seem to be, but they're only imitation, like your imitation love for me. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Darling, this will be goodbye forevermore. There goes my reason for living. There goes the one of my dreams. There goes my only possession. There goes my everything. My footsteps slowly walking as they walk across this lonely floor. And the tooroo, tooroo, toot toot tooroo. Darling, this will be goodbye forevermore. There goes my reason for living. There goes the one of my dreams. There goes my only possession. There goes my everything. Tooroo, 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 tooroo. Tooroo, 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 tooroo. I humbly appeal for people to my viewers to please take membership to my channel. All proceeds go to helping needy children get college education, and I want to reach a target of 100 Canadian dollars per month. At the moment, it is only around $13 Canadian dollars per month. So my humble appeal, please take super chat, super stickers, and more importantly, take membership. It is very small amount every month that you will have to pay, and it's really going to be able to help a lot of students get through college education. So That is my humble appeal, and I hope that you will, help